Hello guys, yeah, good morning, man. This is on Tuesday, date 3 December. So our trade finally we are dropping, man, like like crazy, like we are going down. So this is what I've been battling the whole night. Like our commitment of traders report, like our tools didn't update. I don't know what was happening in the US, like the CFTC website. They did not update on the contracts, commercials. And man, the challenge I was getting online, sorry, the challenge I was getting online because I was trading live, and people are like, why are you selling? The trend is bullish. Why are you going against the trend, man? Fundamentals moves the market. And this is where people don't understand. When you talk about fundamentals, everybody's talking about news. People are talking about, I don't know, NFP and CPI. I mean, fundamentals move the market, and the fundamental field is so huge that if you're not aware of this, you're going to keep following this trend, and the trend will only be your friend when you know where the market is heading. But the trend will never be a friend because most retailers they follow the trend. Commercials they do the opposite. Now, anyway, let's get a good start. So let's look at the fundamentals and what to expect since that now the data is updated. And actually, I'm going to make the next video to explain the overall weekly expectation. Better off, we're almost, you see, like we almost hit like I had even to drop on a lower time frame and check because I was so much uncomfortable. I was like, wow, why is this state going to almost almost against me, you see. But it went to this supply, and there's this analysis I did yesterday about this. I'll just look at it and update you guys. Now we are almost now getting out of a drawdown. Let's just get out. And these are swing trades. So I've been holding this trade last week, since last week, and let's see what happens. Now, let's go to the let's go to the what is this? Let's go to the futures and review our expectation. We had 79% on. Allow me. I had to use this volume profile to just look at the expectation, and the volume profile work like magic. Look at this. The valuation area, the market tapped on it and rejected immediately. So I had to apply this one just to be sure that I'm not making a mistake, and I like the response. This is the reason again I had to continue holding my position, but I'll remove it. We don't need it. Now, we don't need this. This was just for me. Like now, what is the fundamental expectation of this at the end of the day? Now, if we look at our tools, here, this is what we need. This is all what you need, my friend. Fundamentals information. So when you come here, if we expect the CHF, the Swiss franc, this is the Swiss franc. If you want to buy the Swiss franc, then we have to see the retailers to continue selling. And you can see these are the retailers' net positions, and they are completely very, very, very much bearish. And you can see here, the last time they were bearish like this, around this zone. We got the rally to the upside, and we go this again, push the downside, the rally to the upside. So definitely this being another drop, we're going to see a push to the upside. And we can as well, let me remove this. We can as well look at the fund managers. These are the non-commercials. And on non-commercials, what I want us to see is for them to see the retail net position. So you need to look at the non-commercials, retailers, and you want to see them as well. Being on the wrong side, like also creating a bottom, like what you see. So once we have such information, this good at this one of the assurance that the market is going to turn, the CHF is going to go up, and if it goes up on CFD on the current side, you'll be looking for a short position. Now, having that idea, now let's look at what we call the smart money. and we want to see them doing the opposite, they need to be bullish because we want to follow the smart money. Look at this. They are very, very much bullish. And as well, you can compare with the index. Our index last week, it was 79%. Let's see what happened today. Look at that, 84%. All right, we are now 84%. And this is what I just wanted to see, 84% bullish. And the commercials are very, very bullish. So this is just some update, guys. And this means that we continue looking for Swiss franc to buy. And again, we look at the value of the dollar. Remember, you have to look at the value of the dollar. Now, when it comes to the valuation, we want to look at the value of the dollar, and we want to see the dollar being undervalued. Actually, I'm going to remove the interest rates and the treasury bonds, I mean the gold futures, and we remain with what? With this, the dollar, which is just DXY, guys. If I click on this one, this is just your DXY, as you can see it. So once we look at this, once the dollar, it was undervalued, and we could get now a pump to the upside. We could get a better buy to the upside. Another thing I want to look, this was just a short term, 10 days period. Now we can look at it on a 30 days period. 30 days period. 30 days period. This is what, since Trump took over, the dollar has been undervalued, and right now just getting out of undervalued, and to expect the market to continue rallying to the upside. Now let's look at it long term now. Long term, we need to use at least 13 weeks. And if you're undervalued, then this is just good, man. This is just so nice. Look at this. The last time the dollar tried to come here, we got that push to the upside. And the other one is here, back here. That was on May 22. All right, the price went higher. So here again, being undervalued, man, this is just another confluence that we're going to get a push to the upside. And lastly, we can look at the algo focus. And once we look at this, yes, look at this algo focus, we are going to push to the upside as well. So we are bullish here. So the Swiss franc, the more it's going to continue going up. When you go to usdchf, that is when we short our positions. And this is just so great that now you can see this was our area of interest mitigation. So we want to see the Swiss franc dropping to the downside. And if it drops the downside, so this was my swing position. Actually, I took it on a 4 hours time frame, and my stop loss was there. But everybody has been bullish on this pair. They've been bullish technically, but as we said that we're going to follow the fundamentals. Fundamentals moves the market, and let's see what happens. So we're gonna target. This is not my target. I just placed this target here, 1 to 3 risk reward ratio, but actually, the more we get more updates on the fundamentals, the more we're going to hold our short positions. So yes, yesterday we closed at a break even on a smaller time frame, but today for a swing position, we are still swimming in big water. So guys, make sure that you subscribe. This video will be on both on my TikTok and on my YouTube channel. So make sure that you subscribe. And also, if you would like to join us this December, I'm going to do technicals. You're welcome to learn with us. I hope I'll see you guys very, very soon. So I'm going to make new update of the video of the week, what to expect this week. And I hope that you guys may watch, leave your ideas, not your ideas, but drop your comments, all right? What you like me to go through it, yeah? Maybe some topics on me to touch at. Anything, all right? Just anything to do the technicals actually. Fundamentally, this done in private community, so I can only share ideas, but when it comes to technicals, of course, we can do more. Right, guys, so have a good week. Let's see how this trade gonna play out, man. It has, right, like the last 24 hours, it's been a mess in my head. You can imagine the trade going against you, and I was using some prop farm. So I had my trace on the pro farm, and the pro farm was on a daily draw, like it was on a drawdown that I needed to recover. So anyway, you'll see the results very soon.